Okay, second, we can make your own line.
Oh yeah, kids love drawing.
Yes, of course. That's why I prepare the white color with the marker. Then you can draw the line.
Okay, just make a simple one here.
And in this case, I recommend a little bit thicker marker because when GENIBOT follow the line, we recommend is about 5 to 7 millimeters. That's why GENIBOT can easily find the line. Otherwise, it's too thin. Like ballpoint pen is very thin, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not easy to find. So this marker is the best. Good. So it's your turn. You can just touch.
Okay.
Yes. Oh.
Oh yeah, he stopped.
Stop. Hold on. I have ask a quick question. Why? Why are you gonna stop? Is something wrong?
Probably you need a little bit thicker line at that point, or
Okay. This one is the first case. You're right. This is a little bit thicker line is better. And after that, I'm gonna explain the second answer. Okay. So I already prepared a little bit thicker line. So let's try to use this one. Go ahead.
Green bean. Line tracing.
Oh,
the other
wrong
side.
way.
The wrong way, but don't worry about that. See? The line is thicker, then there's no
Line tracing.
problem, right?
Yeah.
So I recommend a little bit thicker line. And then in this case, you also put in this line tracing end of the line. But let's try to do it without putting this card end of the line.
Line tracing.
Then you remember? This one looking for another line for 2 seconds and it's going to start automatically, right? Yes.
It stopped.
Stop. Why?
I don't know why. I thought it was going to keep going.
Well, actually, this light sensor is working about 2 seconds more end of the line. Still looking for it. But if there's no line, then automatically stop.
Okay.
Okay? And then, so I answer your first question, why it's going to be stopped in here. Because it's a little bit thicker is better, right? Second, in this case, it's no problem. But sometimes, when you use this paper, A4 size, and on this kind of color desk.
Yes.
Yes. Because of light sensor, this one is sensitive.
Yeah, they're very sensitive. So
Yeah, right.
you can even see this is whiter because we have a stack of paper.
Yes, right. So
This
even
is gray.
correct. This is the point. The color on the desk is coming under this paper. So this GENIBOT can recognize this is not white 100%. So sometimes even you use the thicker line, sometimes does not work. But don't worry about it. This is not like error, okay? So I'm gonna give a solution. 2 solutions. First. You can use several.
Yeah, more than one piece of paper.
Yes, right. Why?
The more white paper, the whiter it will appear to the light sensors.
Exactly.
It won't be picking up the table.
This is correct. Okay. So please use like maybe 4 or 5 edges more together. Then these sensors can recognize black and white.
Yes.
Okay. First solution. Second solution. We can calibrate the light sensor. That means we can make GENIBOT to recognize this color. Okay, but in this case, it's a little bit complicated. You need to check the brightness of the color by application. So you can search like color brightness or color. One of the app is color grab.
Yes. A color reading application.
Correct.
On your
when-
phone.
Correct. So when you use your smartphone to check the brightness of the color by app, then there is a percentage. But only for the brightness of color is over 80%. 80%, then we can make a calibration. Otherwise, less than 80%, not easy to make a calibration.
Right, so the color app would probably be reading this paper as like 85 or 88% gray.
Yes, right.
Something like that.
Correct. So about this explanation or solution, there is more detailed information on our quick guide. Then you can find those kind of page and then you can understand and just follow the guide.
Okay.
Okay. So is it hard to use the line tracing?
No, just make sure you have a thick dark line and a light piece of paper.
Yes, it's
Keep it
correct.
simple.
And as you said at the beginning, kids love to draw.
Yeah, this is probably one of the top 3 things they want to do with
Exactly.
GENIBOT.
Yes, correct. So I recommend our kids can draw whatever they want, but at the end, I just want to point out one point. Please do not draw the line like sharp point.
Okay.
That means this is the perfect. This is a smooth. That robot can follow the line smoothly, right? But sometimes, okay, I like rectangle. Okay, so I can draw the line like this. So be careful about this kind of like sharp point.
Right.
Why?
The GENIBOT will just keep going. It can't recognize an edge.
This one is too like big difference. Yeah. So please draw the line, this kind of curve, not sharp. Okay. Then there's no problem to use this function.
Yeah, I thought you were gonna say don't draw on the wall. Like GENIBOT can't go up walls.
Well,
Your kids
the
might
second
want
version
to.
can.
Yeah, kids might want to draw on the walls, but doesn't work.
Yes, right.